Next we'll move on to if elif else statement. It's used for multiple statements or expressions when the condition is getting false from if and else. Both the elif part is used for multiple. To print multiple statement, the elif else statement will be used. If all the conditions in if and elif statements are false, the else part will be executed. Next we work on with if elif else statement. If elif else statement, number equal to 5, if number greater than 6, then print the statement print of number comma is a positive value. Open and enclosed with double quotes. Then else number elif number equal to 6, print of number comma within double quotes is a average value. Then else here don't want to give any conditions because we are already assigning 2 conditions for if and elif. If both the condition are getting false, automatically it will print what's inside the else statement. Print number within double quotes is a negative value. Okay, now save and run. Invalid syntax. Want to give not in elif statement it will not accept a single equal to, so we want to give double equal to. Okay, now save and run. There's no more result. Something went wrong. Next we'll move on to nested if statement. We have if else statement inside another if else statement. It's called as nested if else. Number of statements can be nested into one another. Indentation in here also, indentation is also a only way to figure out the level of nesting, how many levels we are nested. Now we will work on this nested statement. Nested if statement. Number equal to float of input within double quotes enter a number. Here we are going to enter a number in the output manually. If number greater than or equal to 5. Next condition, if number double equal to 5. Print true. Else print positive. Okay, within double quotes positive else print negative. Now save and run the program. Invalid syntax, indentation space. Enter a number. Negative. Because the condition is greater than or equal to 5 and the another condition is double equal to 5. So 3 is not a greater than 5 and it's not a float value. So it will result in a negative value. Then